Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, What Nonsense? We will learn about phrasal verbs. So, open up page number 16 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb with one or two prepositions or adverbs. Now, let's look at some of the phrasal verbs and learn their meanings. The first one is look up. You can see that the first word is a verb and the second word can be both prepositions and adverbs. Look up means to find information in a book, on a map, or a timetable. Let's look at the second one. Look to means to rely on somebody or something. Look ahead. It means to think about what is going to happen in the future and make plans. The fourth one is look back, which means to think about something that happened in the past. Let's look at the fifth one. Look for means to try and find something. The next one is look forward to. It means to feel pleased and excited about something that is going to happen. Look in means to visit a person or a place for a short time. Look on means to watch something without taking part yourself. Look out means to watch what is happening and be careful. Let's look at the last one, which is look through. It means to read something quickly and briefly. Now, let's do an activity. Use the internet to get more phrasal verbs related to look. Try to find at least 5 more phrasal verbs and their meanings, and use all the 10 phrasal verbs which we studied and the 5 which you are going to find from the internet and use them in your sentences on a loose sheet.